What's up, everybody? This is Michael from Detail in the Shadow, coming to you with an impromptu vlog. Due to the circumstances that are going on all around the world, Texas Roadhouse is selling uncooked steaks like they were a butcher, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna go check it out. They open in about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna see if they actually have some or what's going on. Hopefully they have some, and I'm gonna buy a few. Alright, walking up to the Texas Roadhouse. Let's see what this is about. Let's see if they even have any steaks left. Okay, so what you have to do is they'll come out with a pad and a pen and they'll take your order. Okay, so I just placed the order for the steaks. They're not letting anyone in, which is fine. You know, the times that are going on right now. I thought it was quite interesting to order a steak from Texas Roadhouse and cook it at home, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I just got the meat delivered to me, and we're going to unbox it real quick. This is something I've never done. And there we go. 6-ounce sirloins and 1 boneless ribeye. So let's go home, cook this. I'm only going to cook the ribeye. The sirloin is for my meal prep, so we're going to go through that. Okay, and so here we have it. We got that Texas Roadhouse ribeye. It's all nice and rested. Got it rubbed down with a little peanut oil. It's a flavor profile I really like. Some of that Celtic salt has really worked its way in there. And now we're about to get the grill nice and warm and toss it on there. Alright, and here we have it. Due to recent worldwide events, a lot of the restaurants have shut down their indoor eating and their takeout only. So here in Columbus, Ohio, at Texas Roadhouse, they must have had a surplus of steaks, so they decided just to sell the steaks straight up without cooking them, basically like they were a butcher themselves. So here it is. I went ahead and got the 12-ounce boneless ribeye, and it has been resting, and I'm going to let it to continue to rest for at least another half hour or so. And as for the flavor, it's going to be something light, nothing too heavy, no big time dry rub or anything like that. I'm just going to use some of this Celtic salt, and it's going to salt that real nice, but not too heavy, because this Celtic salt, I already did a test run on the flavor profile. It is pretty intense. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. Alright. And go ahead and salt up this other side. And I'm going to let that rest. And that'll be pretty much it for the seasoning right now. I'm going to add a little bit of aromatics later on, but what this isn't me versus Texas Roadhouse. This is basically the steak, Texas Roadhouse steak, versus, let's say, a steak that you would get at Kroger or Giant Eagle or whatever supermarket or wherever you get it from. Basically just a taste. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we could get this ignition going. Push down. There we go. See, got it on high. Woo! Yeah. Okay, it's on now. Hey! Alright, we're going to let that kind of cook off a little bit before we go ahead and put the steak on there. and I'll be back. All right, here we go. Here is the moment of truth. Grill should be nice and warm. Let's see if we get a nice sizzle. Oh yeah. So I'm not really going to be doing any timing. Should be. This is just the initial grill setup, just to see what's going down. All right, I'll be right back. There we have it, a gorgeous looking steak. I still hadn't perfected the grill marks yet, but we'll work on that. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next video. Alright, so to wrap it up, we're just going to do a quick taste test. Let me flip the camera around, I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Oh man, yeah. Just with this simple salt, it tastes really good. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.